had one sip of beer and I can't even think about what I'm doing. Oh my.
Bearing a lack of the chemistry, I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursue, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me. I don't read minds, but I see signs. Johnny and June, and we walking.
Truck. Where's the truck? What?
Hello there. Welcome to another day. Definitely did not charge my batteries last night, but I have a few other ones on deck, so I don't know if you saw, but part of the house is wrapped. Ho ho ho. Today we are continuing on with the stuff. I think well, first off, I got a late start because Zeke was up basically all night and Kristen was up trying to comfort and feed him, because she's the one who has the milk. But yeah, we're just continuing on with the sheathing. I actually am going to do this corner, and then I'm going to figure out the roof stuff for this side, because I might have to cut the roof shingles more. So we're doing some roofing, some siding, some sheathing, and then hopefully we can continue wrapping. So it will be a good day. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're alive. Let's get into it. So I realized I need to cut into the siding so that I can wrap the wrapping from the back to this side, pin it up, and then I'll use the trim to cover it up and then caulk all around so that it's waterproof. Let me know in the comments if that's a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it. So.
She'll hold them in her book, she'll read them twice a day. And all the things she thought I was would come out in the comic books. The face I made when I would laugh, she'd illustrate with blues and
Alrighty kids, we got that covered up, which is awesome because now we got most of it covered up. I did notice that I left out a couple of the 2x4s up in this corner, so I'll need to do that. But besides that, we got the front is mostly done. I got to do the overhang and frame the front door. Since we decided on moving the front to the front door, we were going to have it step in a couple feet and then do the front door like a little entryway. But Kristen said it doesn't make sense because we want the square footage. So anyway, we'll do that. But we have this side sheathed, we got the back sheathed. Now the only thing left to do is this, which is a lot. But I need to figure out the roofing and what I'm gonna do with the roofing because some of the shingles are there, but I need to put so I need a waterproof from the siding down and then it goes to the roof, right? But since my roof already exists, I want to be able to still do kind of the similar thing. So I got to rip up some of the shingles, and then I might have to replace them. I might just glue them back down depending on how terrible that goes. So once I figure out the detail on that part right there, I can sheathe the rest of this, but I don't think I have enough sheathing. It'll be like super close. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to show you it. See here. You see how there's a few like blank spots because I ripped up too much, but if you look further down, you can see a gap. That is the shingle and then the underlayment. So I'll put more underlayment. My arm's not long enough. More underlayment here, going up. Then I'll put the sheathing. Well, the sheathing will go, and the underlayment will go up this way, and then the flashing, and then the wall vapor barrier will come down over the step flashing. So that's the plan. Alright, we got that second one up there. That was a pain in the butt. So now we just got the rest of this. Now, we only have 3 sheets of plywood left, plus some scraps. Let me know in the comments if you think I can cover it all up with the rest of what I have. And if you win, I'll give you a cookie. I'll give you a discount on the swag. I think I can do it. That's my bet. Let's do it. Hey, just a quick message here. This episode is brought to you by me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, because it really helps out the channel. And also, this video is brought to you by Saya Goods. Here are a few of the products that we currently have. This is an organic hemp coffee, and this is a Brazilian blend coffee. Both are pretty good. I definitely recommend them. This is collagen, and I put this right into my coffee. Had it this morning. We'll have it for every morning from now on. And this is whey protein, SPF number 2. This is a salty caramel, but we do have chocolate on the way. This is really good as well. It dissolves nicely, it tastes good, and it's organic. No nasty things in it. So go check out the site. And once again, make sure you hit the subscribe. I appreciate you, and I appreciate you, and hope you have a good day. Alrighty, back to the video. Hello, it is the next day. How are you doing? I'm doing good. It's like just before 7. It's not too bad out here. It's kind of nice. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by again. Let's get into some stuff. Let's have a good day. Let's just kill it. Okay. Okay, besides cleaning up today, we're gonna start on the roof sheathing. Slash, not the roof, but the wall up there in the attic space.
So many comments on such a pretty disguise.
Alright, we got a lot of the sheathing here done. You can take a look. We got the panels, and we used the roof sheathing on the rest of this, except that one down there. Now, we'd have a problem with, not a problem, but need to figure out a solution to this under here. So there's a pretty big gap here. I think I'll put a 2x4 here, and then the sheathing will go down on top of the 2x4. That makes the most sense to me. And then we'll have flashing here, of course. And then on here, we'll do the same thing, but it's kind of hard to get back up in there. But the sheathing will also go here, and then I'll need to put flashing, step flashing on this as well. So that's yeah, that's the next steps. All right, I got this piece on. Got the piece there, going, coming down, boom. And I got to get some underlayment here, coming up, and then we'll put the stuff, all the other stuff. Don't need to do that.
See that shovel on your shoulder, and you know you gotta let it go. And you know you gotta let it go. And you know you gotta let it go. And you know you gotta let it go.
I didn't even know why I wanted to blend. I guess it was just easier at the time.
Okay, so I'm working on the overhang here, and my idea is to put just a box together, put it up there, and then I put the supports in. But the other idea is that I want to do it modern, but I still need a slope on it. So I'm taking these 2x6s here, and the idea is to go from this corner to this, but then this will be 3.5 inches, so we can put a 2x4 at the end here, so then it will slope down. A pretty small slope, but it will be enough for this area. The braces in the middle can be 2x4s, and hopefully it will be light enough so I don't have to add like another leg or like a thing down here, because that will take away kind of from the modern style of it. But if I do need to add like a wire or something here to support it, then that's kind of modern, so we'll see.
Why not?
Hurry, hurry! High-speed chase. Alright, we made it out. Figured call for a beer. Just gonna sweat right through me anyways. Otherwise, half a beer will put me to sleep. Ask my wife. Alrighty, let me think about what was I gonna say. Oh, we're working on the front part here. Frame the door here. Look at that beauty. I need to cut some of this plywood here, put another branch up there, and then I'm working on this here. But we did get into this on the side here. You see that? Bada bing, bada boom. So the wrap will come over. I'll attach it on the house, tape it, and then we'll have a water resistant front here. Why don't you look at that, misters? Look at that. No, not me. Look at that up there. It is up. Everything is plied. And look, if you're wondering, well, which way is it? Somewhere over there. There's no more plywood. I used all of it, literally. Now, I did piece a little together this side, so I'm gonna put a bunch of nails on all the edges to make sure that's good. Don't give me too much hate on that one, but I did get everything in. Yeah, now I can't breathe. Then I can continue doing my cover, wall wrap. Super fun. Be cool to put a roof right here too, overhang. Alrighty friends, front door is wrapped. The rest of the wrap will go here. I have a 3-foot roll that will go from here to here. And then I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with the angle. I might just take the 10 and then angle it up. Today's been a successful day. It's really awesome, really excited. It's coming together. Let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts or questions about it. By the time you watch this, I've already been done, probably. So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I got fun projects in the works, including that Airstream back there. I also have merch in the bio. Go check it out. And that's all I have to say. I'll see you out there. I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo.